Shantanu Sen is claiming he has been removed from the post of the TMC spokesperson after the remark on the health department news to Mamata Banerjee. Shantanu Sen, who's no young leader, remember, he's been closely associated with Mamata Banerjee, the TMC, he's been a senior leader, and he now says that he's been removed as the spokesperson. Suryagini, what are you picking up on this? Why would he say? And he did make a pertinent point that this principal had faced a lot of complaints earlier as well. He was simply transferred. Is the Chief Minister not being given the best advice? And then is he removed? Is he claiming it? What are you picking up on this? Suryagini, if you can hear me. Yes, go ahead.
Yesterday itself, Shantanu had clearly stated that he will be. It was not, it becomes difficult for him to, not speak up on what is happening. And following which, this has been confirmed by he himself that he has been removed from the post of spokesperson of Trinamool Congress. However, the party hasn't really commented on it. And, it has to be seen how the Trinamool Congress officially makes a statement on this particular issue, or even unofficially. However, there has been no communication from the party on this particular issue. But yes, Shantanu Sen has, accepted in his close quarters that yes, he has been removed from the post of spokesperson.
Suryagini, please stay on with me because let's listen into what Shantanu Sen is saying and why. And I have a bigger question here. Is there a sort of a rift that's erupting that some TMC leaders have said this is no time to show political alliances, this is the time to stand with the people and with the victim's family? Let's listen in to what Shantanu Sen is saying.
দেখুন, আমি সংবাদ মাধ্যম থেকে জানতে পারলাম যে আমাকে তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের সর্বভারতীয় মুখপাত্র পদ থেকে আপাতত অব্যাহতি দেওয়া হয়েছে। তবে আমি দুটো জিনিস বিশ্বাস করি। প্রথম, তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের মুখপাত্র থাকাকালীন আমি যখন যেখানে যেভাবে দলকে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করেছি, আমি কখনো কোথাও দলবিরোধী কোনো কথা বলিনি। আমার নেত্রীর বিরুদ্ধে কোনো কথা বলা তো দূরের কথা, বরঞ্চ অনেক প্রতিকূল পরিবেশে অনেকের অপছন্দের ভাগিদার হয়েও আমি একনিষ্ঠভাবে দলকে ডিফেন্ড করে গেছি। আর দ্বিতীয়, গতকাল আমি যে কথা বলেছি আজও আমি একই কথা বলবো। স্বাস্থ্যে প্রচুর উন্নয়ন হওয়ার পরেও মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী তথা স্বাস্থ্যমন্ত্রী আমাদের নেত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের কাছে এখনো স্বাস্থ্য দপ্তরের সমস্ত খবর সঠিকভাবে পৌঁছায় না।